Today, I'm going to walk you through how to turn Google Chrome's Safe Search feature on or off. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to manage your search filters for a more secure or more open browsing experience. Whatever works best for you. We're keeping this quick but thorough, so let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. If you've already got it up, you're all set. If not, just click the Chrome icon and let the window load. This is your entry point to everything we're about to adjust. Think of your browser like a front door to the internet. Today, you're going to make that door a little more secure, or just open the view a bit wider depending on your needs. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your Chrome window. You should see your profile icon, usually a tiny circle with either your Google photo, initials, or a generic silhouette. Click on that. Don't worry if it looks a little different. It can vary depending on how your Google account is set up, but it's always in that same spot. Clicking your profile icon brings up a small drop-down where you'll see different settings tied to your account. Now, look for the Safe Search option in this menu. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll or scan through. Google sometimes shifts around their layout, but Safe Search should be clearly labeled. This feature is designed to help you control the type of search results you see, filtering out explicit or potentially offensive content. If you share your device with family or just prefer a cleaner search experience, turning Safe Search on can give you peace of mind. When you click on Safe Search, you'll get a few options. To turn Safe Search off, just select Off. It's as simple as that. This disables filtering on your search results, so everything, good, bad, and in between, will show up. For adults, researchers, or anyone who needs full access to the web's content, turning Safe Search off is straightforward. Pause here for a second. If you're worried about seeing content that's not appropriate for everyone, you might want to stick with some level of filtering. But if you do want to turn Safe Search on, you have a couple of different choices: filter or blur. If you select filter, Chrome will automatically screen out explicit results before they ever appear in your search. It's like having a vigilant doorman at your party. Nothing unwanted gets in. If you prefer to know what's there, but don't want to look directly at it, blur is your best bet. This setting will still show all search results, but any explicit content is blurred out, giving you control over what you interact with. It's a gentler option if you're transitioning to stricter search filters, or if you just want a warning before seeing something questionable. Whichever setting you choose, just click it once, and Chrome will apply it instantly. There's no need to restart or reload. Your changes take effect right away, and that's all there is to it. A few simple clicks and you're in control of what shows up in your Google searches. If you have any questions about Safe Search or about making browsing safer for your family or yourself, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. If this tutorial came in handy, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing for more practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.